Okay guys, so recognition din ng kapatid ko ngayon, kaya sinurprise namin siya. Pag uwi niya dito sa bahay, meron siya matatanggap na bagong computer setup na matagal niya nang pinapangarap. Akala niya matagal pa niya makukuha pero di niya alam na ngayon niya na makukuha, kaya surprise natin siya. Pero bago yan, pupunta muna kami ng recognition niya.
Because that is what
With honors, Journalism Award. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and congratulations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Good news! Success!
Congratulations.